Now, once your offer has been accepted, it's time to open up escrow. The escrow company is a neutral third party who helps through the process. They will also work with the title company. In this case, in Central Florida, will be the same company to make sure the property has a clear title, meaning there are no any outstanding liens on the home, and also that the home is actually owned by the seller and can be sold to you. Now, it's time to get inspection done on the home, review disclosures from the seller, secure the loan from your property, and get the appraisal done. It's such an exciting time, but we need to make sure that we are on top of everything so that we don't mix any of our contractual timelines. If you are securing a loan on the property, it's imperative that you are in a regular communication with your lender, so we can secure your financing. In regard to the appraisal on the property, the goal is for the appraisal to come in at the value we are in contract for. If it doesn't, depending on what we negotiated in the contract, we might need to go back and renegotiate the price. Now, we are also working towards getting final loan approval so that we can order loan documents. Once you know the home has appraised for what we are in contract for and your loan is secure, we are one step closer to home ownership. During this time frame, we will order inspections for the property. Typically, we recommend you do a termite, roof, and professional home inspection. Depending on the property, there might be other inspections that need to be done, and we can advise you on that. Once all of the inspections are done, we will meet to review the reports along with the disclosures from the seller. This is when we discuss all of the documentations and decide if any item in the home needs to be repaired or if we need to request any credits for repairs from the seller. There are lots of things that happen when our offer gets accepted, and these are just a few. Call us here at Lili Whittington, and we can have one of our buyers specialists get in contact with you to make the process as easy as possible.